What if I told you that becoming a millionaire in the next 2 years is completely possible? Imagine waking up in 2026 with $1 million in your bank account. It's not a dream, it's a strategy. And today, I'll show you the exact steps to make it happen. In this video, we'll break down the 3 key wealth-building strategies that have helped countless people hit their first million. And if you stick around until the end, I'll share the biggest mistake that keeps people broke. If you want to learn how to make money, invest wisely, and build wealth fast, smash that like button and subscribe right now. The Millionaire Mindset. First things first, you need to think like a millionaire before you become one. Millionaires see money as a tool, not just income. They focus on assets, not liabilities. They understand that wealth is built, not earned from a job alone. The key shift? Stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an investor and business owner. Instead of spending money on things that lose value, like expensive cars and designer clothes, focus on putting your money into things that grow, like investments and businesses. 3 best paths to $1,000. Now let's talk about the 3 best ways to make $1 million in 2025. Path number 1, high-income skills and online business. Want to get rich fast? Learn a high-income skill, copywriting, sales, coding, or digital marketing. These can earn you $100K plus per year, or start an online business, dropshipping, Amazon FBA, content creation, or coaching. Path 2, investing in stocks and crypto. Investing is the fastest way to grow wealth. Even if you start with just $500, the stock market can turn it into thousands. Focus on index funds like S&P 500, FY, tech stocks, and dividend stocks to create passive income. Crypto? Yes, Bitcoin and Ethereum have huge potential, but always do your research. Path number 3, real estate and passive income. Real estate has created more millionaires than any other industry. If you can't buy a house yet, try house hacking or invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts, for as little as $10. The Millionaire Action Plan. Now that you know the best ways to make money, let's create a millionaire action plan you can start today. Step 1, set a clear goal. Decide exactly how much money you want and by when. Example, I will make $1 million by December 2025. Step 2, increase your income. If you make under $100K a year, your focus should be on earning more, side hustles, freelancing, or business. Step 3, invest 50 to 80% of your extra income. Instead of spending your money, invest it. The more you invest, the faster you reach $1 million. Step 4, stay consistent and avoid distractions. Most people fail because they give up. Millionaires stay focused, patient, and disciplined. Secret warning, the number 1 mistake that keeps you broke. Here's the biggest mistake that keeps most people broke. Lifestyle inflation. The more money they make, the more they spend. Fancy cars, luxury vacations, and expensive gadgets. Stop! Instead, keep your expenses low and invest as much as possible. Millionaires don't flex, they build. Want proof? Warren Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. Now you know exactly how to become a millionaire in 2025 and 2026. The next step? Take action. Which millionaire path will you take? Investing, business, or real estate? Comment below. If you want more life-changing money tips by Invest IQ, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your millionaire journey starts today. See you in the next video.